Have you ever panicked while trying to close an options trade on the IBKR mobile app, wondering if one wrong tap could cost you hundreds of dollars? You're not alone. I closed a covered call trade on Nvidia right from my phone, and in this video, I'll walk you through every step. But more importantly, I'll reveal the one mistake most traders make that quite literally drains money from their account. Stick around because once you know this, you'll never close a trade the same way again. First, head over to your portfolio tab and open up the trade you want to close. For example, I've got the September 5th, 2025 192.50 call on Nvidia. You'll notice I've already made about $265 from this trade, and the option itself is now only worth $11. That means I've captured around 96% of the maximum profit. With 1 week left until expiration, risking this trade for the last $11 isn't worth it. I'd rather lock in profits. To close the position, tap Close Position. You'll see an order screen pop up. Since this was a covered call, it shows a buy order in my situation because I'm buying back the option I originally sold. Now here's where most traders slip up. They hit slide to buy at the bottom. But doing this at the wrong price can cost you hundreds of dollars over time. Instead, tap on the limit price drop down and select mid price. The mid price sits between the bid and ask spread. By default, IBKR sets it to the ask, which is the most expensive price and the easiest to get filled. But you don't want to overpay. Selecting the mid price means you usually get filled for less. For this trade, the mid and the ask are both $12, so there's no difference. But normally the ask will be higher. Even if it takes a little longer to get filled, this step saves you money, and over dozens of trades, that starts to add up quite big. Once you've selected the mid price, go ahead and select slide to buy. Your order will process, and if it doesn't get filled straight away, you can always tweak the price slightly. In my case, the order went through instantly at $12. And that's it. You've closed an options trade on mobile the right way and avoided throwing money away in slippage. Small tweaks like this separate the casual traders from the profitable ones. If this was helpful, smash the like button so this video reaches more traders. If you want more quick practical options advice, make sure you subscribe as I create weekly options videos similar to this one. I shall see you guys in the next video.